G'day guys, this is a doozy of a carpet python. On my hands. Now these guys are super common in the northern rivers area here and pretty much a good chunk of the coast on the east coast of Australia. You can see he's got these beautiful scales and patterns to really blend in with our Aussie bush. I don't know, Save, I think he thinks you're a bit of dirty bird. Now this guy is an absolutely beautiful specimen. He's making me look short, but it's time for him to go back into the bush. A bit clingy, doesn't want to let go. What, there's a song about that.